Sunrise Lakes, it's Stephanie with Comfort Eco Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a Builder's Grade 3 tab. So just wanted to bring you up so I could show you what you got going on. So the roof itself, it's getting older. So your north faces or anywhere that get a lot of shade appear to still be in relatively good shape. But anywhere where the sun is hitting down, it's really starting to lose a lot of granules and exposing the asphalt. Shingles themselves are not inherently waterproof. So once those granules start to go, you run into some real problems. Looks like they've had some branches hit down a couple different times. So let's go this way. Looks like the ridge cap had already started to kind of deteriorate, so they've had some repairs done to that. But as you can tell, all these ridge caps, they're starting to show their age a bit. So let's head in this direction real quick. Boop. It looks like there were some repairs done to the roof, or when they actually put the roof in, they started on both sides of this, met up right here at the ridge, because you can see where the shingles have overlapped and they just didn't quite mesh together well. So they had to overlap them a bit, which is not really great. And then I'm guessing this slope gets the most sun throughout the day, because as you can see, it's got quite a bit of wear and tear on it. There are quite a few shingles that have been creased by the wind. Eventually what will happen is that those shingles, that crease line across it, will just get worse. And then the wind will be able to just rip it off. Like with this one down here, the only thing holding this on is the fiberglass mat here. And I didn't want to get too far into this, just because the shingles are not in the best of shape, so they're not the most secure. But you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 creased shingles just on this section of the roof. Also, my concern is, I'm not sure if you can see this in 2D, but if you see, that edge of the roof is actually starting to bow down. You can tell if I come up here, right, and I bend down, you can see the end of the roof, right? So you can see the end of the shingles. But if we come down here and do the same, I completely lose the end of your roof. And based on what I saw from the ground, you've got a leak happening underneath of the soffit right at the edge right there. So my concern is that that whole section there has gotten saturated, and that's what's causing that bowing. But I wouldn't know until I got into it. So yeah, I mean, the house is beautiful. So just be prepared. This roof will need to be replaced sooner than later. So, all right, I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you guys with the next steps in the process. Thanks.